decided to fly my Hubsan 501 over this abandoned mall project. I was on my way home when I made a dumb move, drifted over the slanted roof, which hindered the signal and caused me to crash. The drone flipped over upside down and continued filming for about 4 hours. So, about 2 months later, I was able to acquire a Evo I drone. As you can see, I rigged a 10-foot rope on the back side so it wouldn't hinder the gimbal, and created a long rescue rope with a hook at the end. It was just secured with tape. So everything is ready to go. Let's check the hook. Make sure the prongs are spread out so I can get a good grip. That was just made with some fencing material and painted red so I can see it in the camera. Now the drone is over the roof of the abandoned mall. As you can see in the video, I'm kind of sliding around left, right, trying to grab this drone and hook it. Okay, I got it. Unfortunately, it's out of view of the phone. Now I'm lifting it up. And you can see it rising, rising. And I got it. Bringing it back. And the Evo I handled perfectly, no problems, didn't stress it out at all. The Evo I had plenty of power. The Hubsan 501 was about 2 pounds, so it wasn't too heavy. And successful sling load. I've done plenty of these as a Black Hawk crew chief, so sling loads are nothing new to me. I'm bringing it down, making sure I don't get the rope caught in the blades. Success. Well, let's go check out the drone. It had been up there about 2 months and went through a brief rain. Everything checked out pretty good. No problems there. Of course, the battery had drained since then. Now I was able to fly this drone again. It continued working, and I eventually sold it. I still have the Evo. So let's go home and take care of this. Thanks for watching.